This is just another day at the office, quite frankly. We are in the hands of international suppliers. We've known this for some time. We've acknowledged it, and we're working through it.
The issue is the countries we rely on to produce and send Canada's COVID-19 vaccines are limiting the amount they can export. This is the European Union that supplies Pfizer and Moderna, and India that supplies AstraZeneca, both wanting to save supply for their population. But BC's COVID-19 vaccination process still on track.
My office has been in touch with the federal government today on both the India issue as well as the EU issue. We're assured by the Prime Minister's office that it's full steam ahead. We're going to continue taking our direction from those who are procuring the vaccines for all Canadians. That's the federal government.
The head of BC's program saying they're continuing to ramp up and not stopping.
You always have to be able to deal with changes, and you have to have resilience. And I think we've shown very well in this province over the last few months where we have had, intermittent slowdowns in supply that we can pivot and adjust. But essentially, we are rolling forward full steam ahead to get our public vaccinated and back to business and life as normal.
With more than 4,500 new cases in BC this past week, the highest weekly tally in months, normal is still off in the distance when it comes to many things, including travel, tourism, and any kind of group event.
Open and collaborative as best we can, but the health orders are there not to discourage creativity, not to discourage entrepreneurship. It's there to protect people. And I think, again, most British Columbians understand that. We want to get out of this just as much as they do.
Until then, vaccinations are the priority in BC and ahead of schedule. Up this week, those over 75, people who are clinically vulnerable, and frontline workers who are now eligible. For City News in Victoria, I'm News 1130's Liza Yuzda.